We're back with production bar plugin. This one's got a few more options than the player bar, so let's get to it. The first one on the top is very obvious, toggle visible, so you don't always have to show it. And if you don't want the checkbox to be the driver, you can add a hotkey here. I'm going to do Y, and then if I press Y here, it'll toggle. It's supposed to. So it didn't toggle back on, but it did toggle off. So maybe there's a bug there. So anyway, I'll get to that. So toggle visible hotkey available. Toggle visible, probably the more reliable method right now. Like the player bar, it's also kind of the hexadecimal color value, and with a manual input here if you want some transparency. As you see there, now it's partially transparent. Let's make it even further. So it's 20. I like it dark, just like my name. So let's just go 80 here, and that's kind of nice. Orientation is pretty new. You don't get this in the original SCR, so if you want a vertical orientation, you can save some horizontal space that way, or some vertical space by keeping things on the left side. Units ordered first, that just means, actually I should probably change this, so don't touch this right now. Icon size is obvious. You can have them really small, like really small, and then big. So 5 or 4 I think is pretty readable for the users or viewers. Max row items means how many items will you allow on the thing. And if we go all the way down to 3, you'll see that there's only 3 there. So this is just in case it's kind of interrupting with your overlays. That lets you do that. Max units, as you see, it's showing a lot of research and upgrades. And sometimes there's going to be a lot of units here, especially when it gets later in the game. So just like the max row items, you can set it lower to, max out. In this case, at 2, at 1, I don't know what 0, I guess 0 is no max. And then these ones are, you can go all the way up. But if you want to, again, play with the space that you're dealing with here, this kind of gives you the option to do that. Upgrades, again, you can display upgrades or not. You can display completed upgrades or not. And again, research, which is slightly different. But similar concept. You can display it or display researched versions. Probably later we'll upgrade this plugin to allow these to be hotkeys or something like that, so to make it just a little bit easier as you're casting. So that's it. Apologize for the bugs on this one and this one, but whenever you see upgrade available here, just hit that button, and that'll let you know that you've upgraded and some changes have come along, and hopefully we fixed those issues by then. All right, that's it.